So here we are just leaving Bois Franc. There's the construction site for the new REM station. And this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and we're on the du Montagne line headed towards Montreal. So our next stop will be du EXO. So it's the day after, well, it's the day before New Year's Eve, and we had a big snowstorm, so this is what I'm recording, the nice snowstorm and the line as it is, using the MR90 train. Actually, these aren't MR90s, these are the bi-level train cars. Yeah, this is on a bi-level train. We have two locomotives on the head end, which is why I'm able to film this on this double-deck car from Bombardier. And there's the MR90 set passing. Now that train that just passed us is headed towards du Montagne. So we're just making our station stop now here at du EXO. And we'll be heading around the curve into the next station stop. The next stop is Montpellier. Looks like the snow has stopped. Gray skies. Nice temperature outside though. It's maybe -1 degrees. No wind. And we have fresh powder here in the Montreal region. I should mention this is the 11:35 train that came at Roxborough, so this will get me into Central Station, Gare Centrale, at maybe just a little bit before noon. So now we're making our way through du EXO station. To the left is Henri Bourassa Boulevard. We just passed over the bridge. So we're slowing down to the Montpellier station in the Saint-Laurent area of Montreal. An older suburb, very industrial in areas. I filmed one of the last trains, or at least the last train that I saw, a CN freight train on this line, about a year ago at this station. So we're just about to leave now. And our next station is a temporary station that will be between, it's a temporary station that they've set up between Montreal and Kenora. So they call it Montreal Kenora, that's what they call it. As Montreal and Kenora are now closed for REM construction. And here we are going through Montpellier. There's tuck tape. We've crossed Côte Boulevard. Here is the interchange with the CN Montreal North Line. This track that comes in on the right, that is for the Mascouche trains. In the future though, as you can see, a construction site is on the right. Those trains will be ending at another new station they're building near the Met, and they will end and people will transfer to the REM. The construction is progressing over here now. You'll see it. They're building a new high-level platform. This is the Met, Metropolitan Boulevard. And now we're in the TMR Trench, town of Montreal. There's a pedestrian bridge. I've filmed trains from there before. Notice it's single line. And we're going to slowly pass through Montreal. We put this hoarding up here so that workers are going to be safe when the trains come through. They will be building high-level platforms for the REM. You can see them under construction here. And we just went under Mount Royal Boulevard. This is the second bridge for Mount Royal Boulevard. And we are stopping at the end of the platform of the temporary station. It's really nice to be able to see all this with the nice powdered snow. Gives it a really nice look. And it's a holiday, so there's not many cars on this road. This bridge has normally got a lot of traffic on it. The second track there that's all in the snow is no longer in service. The rails are still there. There you can see they've buried the rails and put a temporary platform. It's not really cleared well.
Excusez, il va falloir que vous rentriez à l'intérieur, monsieur.